Hey, man, there you are. Awesome.
Last time, it's been a long time. I'm trying to think the last time we were catching up. I think it was in Vegas.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I've been there quite a bit, so yeah, that was probably.
Just the IICRC meeting, I think it was the last time we was catching up.
Right.
So how's it been? How's it been being the new chairman? Did Pete leave you a bunch of work to do?
Well, you know, it's weird because trying to get now with all the virus stuff, but before that we were still working to try to get like courses online and stuff like that. And so there was tons of work before, and it just seems like overnight our workload just like took a 180 and flipped, you know.
Yeah, like I was talking to
different
Darren.
priorities.
Yeah, Darren had told me this has been on the list for like a while, and then this all happened, and it just overnight, it's like the biggest priority.
Yeah, yeah, pretty much. Whenever you got what 184 instructors, and almost none of them had any classes.
So I was really proud to see this announcement come out, man. I've been a big supporter of this for years. I mean, I joined that. I think if you go to the IICRC forum, that the different groups you can go into on the distance learning, I'm still in there as like the only person that's commenting in that distance learning board that started. This started way back. I think Daryl Paulson was still chairman when I started in that. I was at Dry's at the time.
Okay.
And I just never got any traction. I was so frustrated about it. And now I'm like, hallelujah, here we are.
Yeah.
You know? So I've been trying to help you guys share the message. This is temporary Band-Aid for now, right? And then, obviously we're going to figure out, there's going to be some bumps and some hiccups. And we're going to figure out how to facilitate that long term. But I thought it would be good to kind of have some, a voice and a face to go with that, with your logo on your chest there. I thought it'd be beneficial for you and for all the instructors out there too. So I thought I would try to jumpstart on it since I'm getting so much traction with my marketing right now.
Yeah, so it is something that we had to come up with as the board. I went to the board and I said, hey, we got to call a special meeting and address this, because basically like overnight, like all our classes just canceled. Everything that was on the book, people are just calling saying, hey, we'll cancel that. And so we said, well, we got no certifications going out. And the Institute is not an association. It doesn't do association things. It is a standards writing and certification body. Well, if we don't have certifications out there for the registrants to take, then that's not much good. So we said, how do we get them out there? And so back in October of 19, we actually passed the e-learning or module learning or whatever you want to call it. The board passed that, and we've been working toward getting that online and making that a reality, but we weren't quite there yet. So we said, okay, in the meantime, what can we do now to get people the certifications they need during this time? And so we said, well, we can do live streaming. So that's how we can kind of, in a nutshell, we put this together in about 5 days and said, let's make it happen. And if you've been around the Institute for a while, putting something together in 5 days and getting it out, that's probably the first time that's ever happened. So like the boat in the middle of the ocean that somebody's trying to make go to Mexico with a paddle. So we turn really slow, and usually, but on this thing, we did it. We got it, made it a reality. And the new CEO, Michael Dakduke, he just got the staff on board with it, and they have worked night and day to kind of make this happen. We've had a few hiccups coming out the gate, and I bet you we're going to have some more, but we'll correct them, as we move forward. And it's not going to be perfect, but at least we can get the certifications out there to people that are looking for them.